Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Capricorn, let's see what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are, of course, general collective readings, Capricorn, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind, and let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. Alright Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Capricorn, if you're new here, of course we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Capricorn, newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies, etc. If this is your reading, of course you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Person A, action. Person B, action. Bottom of my deck I have the Hierophant in reverse. Somebody is just not committing. That's the problem, right? There's a problem of commitment here. So yes, from what I'm seeing of the cards also, Capricorn, one person feels, well, it's time to get unstuck from this situation. I don't think this will ever happen. There is no possibility of a Ten of Pentacles. The offer hasn't come. I don't see any makings of that, Ten of Pentacles. It's time maybe for me to stop waiting around for that offer to be made. Whereas the other person, well, they are realizing, they are also realizing that this connection is actually right now at a standstill. They do want to end the toxicity. They do want to end the toxicity for some reason. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Capricorn. And let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we clarify the cards. Capricorn and their person, spirit. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Okay. We'll take a few more Capricorn from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Capricorn, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Capricorn and person. Alright. Good to go, Cappies. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I know I have narcissistic tendencies, but I'm not one. I developed these traits to protect myself. This could be person B. I want to make things right between us. Why did you choose them over me? Question mark. I think this is person A saying that. Trying to gather up the courage to get in contact with you. I think person B here. I have a really hard time opening up my emotions to anyone. Again, person B. I'm not sure if you love me for me or who you think I am. I pray for you all the time and I do healing work on your behalf. Person A. Alright, Capricorn, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start our reading. Of course, we're going to start with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn. Sleep. Well, this connection seems to have gone to sleep at the moment from what I feel. But maybe if you guys have been losing sleep or been very stressed out, Capricorn, you guys need to, even person B seems quite agitated. They don't seem balanced right now either. Very impatient, feeling very ungrounded. Maybe you guys need to just sleep and clear your head before you make any moves towards each other. So let's see what's happening then. Let's start with the energies of person A. You could be either side, right, Capricorn? So person A, Hanged Man in reverse. What does that mean for you? Why is the Hanged Man in reverse for you? Why do you feel that way? Okay, one more. Yeah, person A is feeling I have to be strong now, I have to hold back my person. Well, I was waiting for them to communicate with me, and well, when they do, also, it's so cold, it's so dry that I mean, I always feel that they never open up to me. I'd rather, I was waiting for this new beginning that they would offer me, but I think it's time now. If this is going to be their behavior, then I'd rather be free and maybe go off for a brand new beginning somewhere else and get unstuck from the situation. Ten of Cups is in reverse. Why is that? Ten of Cups. Yes, person A is feeling they've had too many sleepless nights. I think they need their sleep. They feel, I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this commitment to happen, but I've been watching, waiting, spying, getting tarot readings, doing everything, but till now nothing has happened. No offer of commitment has come. I'm literally thinking of walking away from this connection now. Enough is enough. So what happened, person A? What happened in the recent past that you're feeling this way? Well, person A says, I love them. I really had so much love to give them, but they never honored this beautiful connection that we shared together. They didn't reciprocate at all, and they left me out feeling I was alone in this connection. I thought I was going crazy because I thought I was the only one who felt this connection. But maybe I am, thinking it's more than what it is. And that my person is such a cheat, such a liar. They don't do right by me. It's time that I drop this connection altogether. I'm tired of holding all the wands in my hand, and my back hurts now. I'm happy to drop it now. If they are not going to be participating, then what am I keeping myself stuck here for? Right? So yes, person A feels that there is no justice in this connection. They feel they are the only ones who are doing the loving, and their person doesn't acknowledge it. In fact, they see their person as maybe seeing other people or cheating on them or whatever. So how do you feel about the connection now, person A? Person A says, well, I have my guard up now. I have my boundaries up. I've been waiting to have that communication with them, but till now nothing has been said. They don't communicate properly, and I feel it's time now to shut this chapter. I mean, they always it's always going to be their way or the highway, right? And that isn't right. They always kind of, trigger me or fight with me and make me feel I'm not good enough, and that they don't deserve a second chance with me. Even though I did feel, and I do feel sometimes, that this was my Four of Wands. This was the person I was supposed to end up with, but well, their actions don't align with what I'm feeling. Four of Wands, why do you feel this way, person A? Oh my God, person A really had these wishes of having a happily ever after. 10 of Cups, 4 of Wands. Person A was really waiting and waiting and waiting, but I think now they're getting a bit fed up. Yeah, Queen of Swords again. Queen of Swords has come out twice for the way they feel. They feel if a person is never going to communicate, how is it going to work? I feel they're a liar, they're a cheat, and here I am now with my sword up, and well, they can come and talk to me, but I'm now going to guard myself. I'm going to guard myself, because as much as I felt this, I see no 3D indication that what I'm feeling is what it is, right? In the 5D world, I feel this is my soulmate, this is the person I'm supposed to be with, but well, in the real world, where is the action? No, there is none. So yes, person A could be on the verge of saying, I'd rather shut this chapter down. Person A feels, person A has been waiting. Person A is still stuck on person B. I think heart of hearts, person B still, there's a small part of person B who still is waiting for that clarity, for that communication, because they feel that this deserves a chance. They want to be person B's empress. They want to be. Okay? Am I right, person A? Yes, see, they want this equal give and take. They want a good partnership. But somewhere they're kind of now losing hope, right? Because the person B is just not offering that. So what action person A will take, I'll open later, Capricorn. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. Person B, you have the devil in reverse. Why are you feeling that way? Oh my God, I don't believe this. Person B also has the Four of Wands. Heart of hearts, I think person B also recognizes this connection and sees it for what it is. They also want this toxicity to be gone from this connection, but there is a lot of they're not making a move. They're not making a move at all, the stagnancy and how, because somewhere I think they feel that their person has a choice, and they feel that their person is no longer waiting around for them. One second. I'm going. Sorry. Oops, that was from outside. I'm sorry. Okay, so one more for the Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles in reverse is clarified by the Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit, and that was no help to me. Thank you. Can I have one more? Why is the Nine of Pentacles? Okay, so the person B knows that they need to choose to stop juggling. Maybe they were in third parties or whatever, so they know they have to make a choice. So right now there is no action from their end. They are sitting in their love for person A, that's for sure, but hiding it so well that it looks like they're not even interested. Why are you doing this, person B? Why are you behaving like this? Because they I think suspect that if they do move towards person A, there will be some argument, there'll be some fight. So they are manifesting quietly behind the scenes, but not making any movement, zero movement. Maybe pretending to have other people in the mix or competition, or trying to trigger person A even now, I don't know why, but still manifesting. What are you manifesting, by the way? Person B, what are you manifesting? The happiness that they want with person A. This is what they're secretly manifesting, but they're hiding their emotions, emotionally manipulating person A into believing that, we are fighting and, whatever. So what happened in the recent past that you're behaving like this, person B? Well, Three of Wands in reverse. Person B could have been the one who turned their back on person A in the past. Maybe they never invested when the time was right. This person could have been sitting in a bit of ego or pride or selfishness or whatever. They've taken some time out to think about this. They have gone into a bit of introspection now, and that's how they're realizing that this is my person, this is the person I want to be with. They do want to heal this connection though. They're just being patient for some reason, because maybe certain things have been revealed about them in the recent past, and something came out in the open, so they are pretending. I think the last reading for you was also called The Mask or something. This person is actually very sad and very regretful. They feel they've already had a missed opportunity or a lost opportunity because of whatever was revealed about them in the past, right? So yes, they maybe in their ego and pride they did or said something which got revealed. Now they're just being patient and not making a move, but praying, manifesting for this happiness, but dreading that they've already been dropped because of all this conflict or whatever's happened between the two of you. So how do you feel about the connection now, person B? King of Pentacles in reverse. They don't feel grounded at all. They want to be with person A because on their own they don't feel complete. They actually want to rebuild this connection now with person A. They want to rebuild. They know they are the cause. They know that they were not in their highest vibration, maybe in the past. They do want to apologize for all that. They do want to apologize for that big time, and they want to rebuild. Temperance in reverse. Temperance in reverse. Yes, they didn't. Something was imbalanced in this connection in the past. Maybe, but they're so impatient now. Now they're so impatient. They are really wishing and manifesting that they know person A is the one who is their happiness, their wish fulfillment, and they so desire person A to see them as an emperor, their emperor, right? So that is what this person is manifesting, that if only, you know. So yes, they are ready. They are ready to have this brand new beginning. They're ready to offer this to, but somewhere I think they're scared because of the imbalance that's been created in the connection in the past. So they're not making a move from what I'm seeing. Let's see if they'll take any action. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to take this deck for the action cards. And Capricorn, may I request you please to hit that thumbs up button now. Reminder, because that really helps the videos to circulate. And newbies, when you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell, because then YouTube can then send you notifications when new videos will be released. Okay, thank you. Okay, person A, action from your end. Five of Wands in reverse. Why is that an action? Five of Wands in reverse. Why is that an action from your end? Eight of Wands. Okay, one more. Knight of Swords and the Ace of Wands. I think person A, heart of hearts, does want this brand new beginning. They do want communication. They don't want to fight with person B, but they somewhere dread this communication also, because they feel it always ends up in an argument or a fight, or person B just says or does something which triggers them. So they want peaceful, yeah, they want person B to mature up and speak to them in a grown-up manner, not like a Knight of Swords, but like a King of Swords, right? And yes, person A wishes for this new beginning as well. They want this heart, they want this new beginning. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. I think person A's heart of hearts is really wishing for good communication to come from person B's end. The only thing that they dread is that whenever this communication happens, it's always immature, it's always creates some conflict or the other. So I think person A is willing to put down the fight and, well, okay, so person B, what about you? Any action from your end? Three of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that an action from your end? Three of Pentacles in reverse. Strength, okay. One more. Five of Swords, one more. The Star, okay, one more. But what's your action going to be towards person A? Ten of Swords. What is your action to, okay, this is how you're feeling. I understand why you're feeling this way. But what action will you take towards person A? Will you take any action in this week? King of Pentacles. They do so want to show up as the King of Pentacles, but Ten of Swords, Ten of Wands, they also want this past chapter. They're feeling awful. They feel they have killed this connection. If they had any third parties, person A, they don't want those third parties anymore. If they were in any kind of cheating, lying behavior, this person is now scratching their head and wondering why I ever did that. They don't want to do that anymore. They are holding back from any bad behavior if they did have any. In fact, this person is healing. This person is healing. I think they're going through some kind of closing of a past cycle. Okay, this person is also getting their downloads from the universe, and they're realizing what they've done. They are also devastated at the moment. They do, this is what the action that they also want. They want to show up in person A's life as a very mature person who will actually do the right thing, right? But maybe give this person a little time. They could be gathering up their strength. because they feel they've really ruined this connection. One more for you. Yeah, they want that. They don't see anything beyond this Empress, which could be person A. They want this Empress, and that's it. Nobody compares to this Empress. They know that this Empress is the queen above all queens. No other third parties are even close. So are you going to take any action? Person B, come on, take some action. Okay, so they are so attracted to person A. They do want to come and apologize. Page of Swords, but sometimes when I see this card, it's like when pigs fly. So they're, I think, a little intimidated because they feel person A could be really hot and sexy and attracting a lot of attention, and they're too good. Somewhere they feel that person A is too good to be true, and they feel like a little page, and they feel. They will come. They just give them a little time. They're going through something quite major, a major ending. Okay, this could be of their own past bad behavior or something, which they're kicking themselves as to why they behave like this. They so want to be seen by this Empress as somebody really mature and somebody who's really going to be responsible. Okay, they're ready. They're ready. See, this King of Pentacles holding the same pentacle. This is what they want. They want to offer this to this Empress. Alright, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste, Capricorn. Take a little nap. Let this person, give this person some time to heal themselves first. Okay?